Introducing the 3-in-1 Bariatric Commode. Make toileting easier. The versatile 3-in-1 design allows this commode to be used as a raised toilet seat, a toilet safety frame, or a bedside commode. Durable and stable, the Bariatric Commode has a steel frame to last a long time. Easy to clean, the frame is powder coated and the platform style seat is made of HD plastic to make cleaning easier. Textured armrests provide a solid gripping surface to make getting up and down from toilet easier. The commode comes with a pail, lid, and splashguard to accommodate the environment you reside in. The seat height adjusts to accommodate many people's stature. The back bar detaches to use a toilet safety frame for stability while toileting. Extra wide seat accommodates a bariatric person's body frame. Available in 600-pound or 400-pound evenly distributed weight capacity. Available with dual drop-arm feature for easy lateral transport from a wheelchair or bed. For more information, please visit grahamfield.com.